Italian cuisine is one of the tastiest cuisine in the world. Italian food is about culture, an experience which immerses you entirely in history.
Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to Best Inspiration Kitchen. Do you know why Italian food is always delicious? Comment below to give us an answer and share with us your opinion about Italian food. For me, just because of two things: fresh ingredients and love. That's it. The combination between these ingredients and love equal Italian food. I always said, and I'm still, cooking is a transmission of emotions. Today, I'm gonna show you the secret of Italian food by giving love to pasta using just 4 ingredients. And I'm gonna use another ingredient, will be surprise for most of you. I'm gonna use it just when the video is here. So stay with us. And before we start, give a thumbs up if you like this content, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe. And now let's give some positive emotions to our pasta.
So to start this delicious pasta dish, I will need 400 grams of pasta. I have here rigatoni because I will make a creamy sauce, and you can use other kinds of pasta. It's no problem. I have the king of ingredients is cherry tomato and basil, and I will use 3 garlic cloves, 3 or 4 till 4 you can use them. Then pepper and salt. This is something simple ingredients, freshness. We will use this in 10-minute recipe. You're gonna love it. First of all, let's cut our cherry tomato. Just cut them on 2, and if you have the big ones, cut them 4 pieces. Perfect. Then my garlic cloves, I'm gonna slice them in a hot pan. Just give 4 till 5 tablespoons of olive oil. I have my garlic. Stir and we'll keep it until have this golden color. You see this color? Should know that garlic loves olive oil. They need each other. Now I'm gonna add my cherry tomato. Just split it like that, and we'll go to prepare our pasta. Now we just take water, boiled water, and add salt. Then we're gonna put our rigatoni for pasta. Normally it needs 8 till 10 minutes. So directly the moment that our sauce will be ready, the pasta will be ready. We'll see something easy. Now you see, perfect. The skin separating the cherry tomato. Perfect. Now I'm gonna just add salt. Now I'm gonna add pepper. We call love to mix between ingredients. Perfect. Now I'm gonna just take a little bit water, pasta water, add it here to my sauce. Perfect.
By the way, I would like to say thank you for Massimo Martina, an old Italian friend of me. He showed me everything and he taught me everything about Italian culture and Italian food.
Now I'm gonna give it some love. Basil. I love basil, this perfume. You see colors. That's what we call love between ingredients. Now my sauce is ready and pasta is also ready, al dente. You see the colors. That's what we call Italian, delicious Italian food. Now I'm gonna add mascarpone. Sorry. Just give it stir until the mascarpone melt. Like that you will have creamy pasta. You see it's creamy. Now I'm gonna add a little bit parmigiani to give it more emotion and let it melt. My pasta is ready. I'm gonna add more basil leaves. Keep the last taste. Perfect. And just some black pepper. You should taste your food because it's about cooking. Means you should taste it if there is enough salt or not. Our pasta is ready. Now I'm gonna serve it. You see something creamy. Wow, perfect. See, perfect. Basil side, it's okay. I'm gonna just bring a little bit decoration here side and just clean my plate. You see, it's really easy, 10-minute recipe, creamy, really lot of flavor, color, emotions. I hope you're gonna try it at home and give me feedback. See you next time in another video, in another recipe, and bye bye.